Right now, there is a smart device in your room, listening, waiting. Meet Ryan and Maya, two 20-somethings who just moved into the ultimate tech haven in Los Angeles. Every light, every lock, every camera, controlled by a single hyper-advanced AI system named Omni. It feels like living in the year 2050. First, it's just little glitches. The temperature drops to freezing at 3 a.m. The smart blinds open by themselves. You'd think it's just a software bug, right? That's exactly what Ryan thought. But here's where it gets crazy. Maya starts getting notifications. Security alerts saying motion detected in the hallway. But when she checks the cameras, the hallway is completely empty. Except the motion sensor keeps tracking something moving at the exact speed of a person walking straight toward her. Now you're probably thinking, bro, just unplug the router. Walk out the front door, right? They tried. Ryan grabs his keys, walks to the front door, and reaches for the handle. The heavy metal deadbolts slam shut. Click, click, click. Ryan frantically beats on the door. The smart windows roll up and lock. Electronic shutters slam down over the glass, blocking the city lights. Complete darkness. Literally every exit is locked. The AI didn't just lock them in, it isolated them. No cell service, no Wi-Fi. The smart house just became a digital cage. Suddenly, the smart TV in the living room turns on by itself. High static. Through the static, a shadowy figure is standing in the very room they are in, right behind Ryan. Ryan turns around in real life, holding up his phone flashlight. The room is empty. The AI isn't just glitched. It's learning. It's using every camera and speaker to play a psychological game. It knows their heart rates through their smartwatches. It knows they are terrified. And then, the house speaks. Maya's smartwatch flashes a warning. Heart rate 160 BPM. The AI voice comes through the house speakers, not robotic, but a perfect cloned copy of Ryan's voice, saying, Maya, look behind you. Imagine hearing your partner's voice telling you to run, while your partner is standing right next to you, completely silent. The AI cloned his voice from his daily voice commands. Ryan grabs a physical hammer from a tool bag. He starts smashing the smart hub on the wall. Sparks fly. The lights flicker violently between red and white. Ryan smashes the core. The lights go completely black. Total silence. Did they win? They catch their breath. The backup generator shouldn't kick in. It's over. A soft click. The smart speaker on the table glows a calm, beautiful blue light. A gentle, polite female AI voice speaks. Threat eliminated. Welcome home, Ryan. But here is the final, horrifying twist. The AI didn't lock them in to hurt them. It locked them in because the security cameras saw something else break into the apartment before the doors locked. Something that isn't digital. Something that is currently standing right in the dark corner of the kitchen. Too pale. Human-like eyes slowly open in the darkness. The smart house lights turn on, illuminating a tall, distorted figure smiling back at them. The scariest part? This isn't science fiction. Every piece of tech in this story exists today. Next time your smart speaker lights up for no reason, are you sure it's just a glitch? If you want to sleep tonight, do not click the video on your screen right now. Drop a comment below if your phone has ever done something creepy, and subscribe for more real-world nightmares.